Got him. Oh yeah. Don't twist, bud. Got him on the batter fry. Yo. There he goes. He's good. That was like, I don't know how much better of a quicker of a release you can get. They give up on life.
Yeah, they're like, oh, you got me out of the water, I'm done.
Yeah, Daniel, there's like 10 of them right here.
Yeah, right?
Right in the middle. Right where I'm pointing at.
What?
Right across from you.
Actually, I can't see over here.
Alright, go ahead. Yeah, right there. They're going for it. Pop it. Here he goes. You gotta follow her.
Oh, yeah, I
He got it.
oh, thanks,
Yes.
nice assist.
Yeah.
That was a team effort.
Oh, walnuts are dropping.
Dude, this stretch is fire on the other side.
Yeah.
I know if you want to get that, and then we'll go back.
Yeah, last year there was so many. Yep. Whoa. I got 2 of them on it. They're all over it. Yeah, they're all over it. I didn't see anything. I casted this one time and 4 of them just came out of nowhere.
You can't really see them over there. They're always stacked up. thought he got caught, and they're like, no.
Yo, that was cool. I seen him go right to it and grab it.
What, power line?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
Yeah, he picked it right up.
hard, though. I wouldn't have felt that. Oh, whoops. Back another.
Just shake them off. That's what I've been doing.
Yeah, right in the tail.
Where'd they go?
Oh, dude, I see them all out there. It's hard, cold.
Yeah.
Wow, it's freaking hard.
Come on.
They like to follow the power line and then stare at it. Like they're following it all the way back.
Try like ripping it like fast so they can't really get a good look at it.
There you go.
Did you see that eat?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
What if I just jig it? Pop,
That's what I mean.
pop. I don't know, they're weird. Sometimes they just grab it. Sometimes you gotta pop it.
Yeah.
Sometimes you gotta drift it.
Okay, buddy.
Depends on the fish.
Stop rolling. Don't get rehooked, bud. Come on. You're fine. You're fine.
Where is it?
There he goes.
See, buddy.